G'day guys, welcome to today's NY update video. Now I hope you're all doing well. I hope you all had a good London session. Hit the like button, let me know how you went during London session. Leave a comment down below. Did you take any trades? Did you get involved in any of the trades calling or taken on stream? Took a nice gold trade buy towards the end of the stream. Also got on a gold sell right at the very beginning before I actually had done the analysis, and also called a really nice gold sell probably about 30 odd minutes into the stream. So hopefully you guys got a piece of the pie at some point. If you didn't, don't stress it. There's always another trade. Interesting to see right now where the charts are at. Obviously GJ, as per the analysis towards the end of the stream, are we potentially giving a sell option at a 4-hour resistance? We had a big push up after the release of the news. I did mention that on stream. It's a very strong level, so I'm not comfortable buying into it. Even though we had that strong bullish closure on the previous 4-hour, I'd rather just wait and let it cut through this, because even once it pops above that resistance, run straight to another. So what I mentioned for the buyers is rather it pop above, create the clean moves, then I'll start trusting it. However, I did say it could reject, and what I'd like to see is a bit of consolidation form up this resistance, and if we form a support and begin to pop below it, so we've done so, it's more evident on the 15. So I would say if we start to close below 192,690, there could be some really nice options, take it back down. First of all, we got the 30-minute support, so that's where I'd like to begin to secure. There's enough margin within that, and then potentially come back down to that 15-minute zone as well, which is a little bit lower down. So the buy sell options could be on the table soon on GJ. Now as for buys, probably like to come down a bit further, otherwise, and look for support form. Otherwise, like I said, pop up, break through that 4-hour resistance, pull back, create some clean moves within it. That zone, if anything, pull back, form support, and that could be a bias. Further sells below the support formed on the M30 up near this resistance. That would be GJ. Quickly onto gold. This is the first I've looked at a chart since hopping off the stream. So gold's also broken through that level I spoke about, or likely would continue. And let's see, did it give an option of 5-minute? Not quite. Didn't get that tap in. Or if we had a pause. So would have had to just trust in it, that being the catalyst. Once it closed above, was likely going to head up, and that's to the 4-hour resistance, which is pretty much what it's done. It's what I analyzed and mentioned on stream, what I'm looking for. So now we're starting to pull back, reject. Now what I want to see is if price pulls back towards that 2387 sort of level, if we form a support above it, at that point there, I look for my buy options. Now I trade at range bound, so if we do pull back up and break our own high for daily, only to reject the resistance here to the left hand side, the 4-hour resistance. And obviously I'll be looking for my catalyst to buy, sell it from the highs. Further options, if price comes back down to this level and we start consolidating around that previous resistance we have just broken out of, and we start to pop below that support, the resistance, which should turn support if we are to continue bullish, we start popping below it, then there could be options for sells back below really 2385, roughly 84.50 on gold. Onto GU, similar to GJ, however, probably not a great deal of margin right now. It is breaking a minor support, just no margin in it. I'd rather it pop back up and maybe present the option a little bit higher up, to be honest. Otherwise, I'd be simply waiting for it to retest the resistance it broke out of around the news, form a support above it, to head back up. Not much you can really GU in my opinion just now. And finally onto NAS. So NAS is now at that resistance once again. I did mention price could potentially pull back to before we could look for potential sell options. It is in a bearish structure. It's biases to the downside. Have we formed minor support on 15 M30's point here? So at this stage, that looks to be the potential zone to start selling it below. Once we start getting close below 17.745, 17.75 roughly, I feel at that point there, look for a tap in and rejection, and then we could look for the sell options to take it back down towards the current daily candles low. I trade at range bound. The only time I'd be more comfortable trusting in buys is once we pop above that previous daily candles high, and at that point there, we've got clean traffic to the left, popping back above what I mentioned on stream. The previous 4-hour support, we're likely going to make a nice move to the upside. Just a really quick update video today, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's stream. If you have not watched it, I suggest doing so. There's a lot of really good educational content within. You also get to know a bit about what what goes through my mind prior to looking for entries. So definitely worth a watch. In the meantime, guys, make sure to hit the like button, and I'll catch you on stream tomorrow about 6:30 a.m. UK time. Cheers, my friends. Trade safe. Bye for now.